Mojo, do you like McDonald's? Mojo? Oi. What are you doing in the McDonald's bag? Do you like your Macca's? Mojo. She came out and said it to you this time. Oh, you threw the apple pie. No, taking it back in. Moo. She goes spastic over these Macca's bags. She's laying sideways and stuff too into the bag when she's. What are you doing? Mojo. Is that your Macca's? She's telling you. My Macca's. Oh, it's my Macca's, she says. She's gonna taunt you, huh? Gonna take my Macca's, huh? My Macca's. Fuck off. You, fuck off.
Num, num, num.
Is that your Macca's? Oh, is that Macca's? Oh, hang on. There you go. Is that your Macca's bag? She keeps coming out to tell you off. Oh.
I just want your Macca's bag.
It's my Macca's bag.
Can I have it? Can I have it?
She's taunting you now. If I go in here, you can fuck off. Oh! Oh, funny shit. My Macca's. Oh, don't upset her. Let her go back to the bag. Oh, she pooed. You're messing his blanket up now. Yeah, you get him. It's your Macca's bag. It's your Macca's, isn't it? That's right. He's gone. I told him to stay back. Leave her alone now. She's doing a staunch dance over her. It's my Macca's. She's messing your shit up now. She keeps biting that blanket. Not the lounge. Just leave her alone. You're so rude. Huh? I said you're rude. Are you cheeky? Where's your Maccas? Oh, is that your Maccas? Mojo, have you been stealing the Macca's chips again? Do you like McDonald's? Is that your Macca's chip? Can I have it? Can I have it? Did you steal that? You're not meant to be eating naughty food like that. It's no good for you. Cheeky. Is that your Macca's chip? Do you love them? Mojo.